Yo, what's up everybody? Chad Bennett here at Nonstop Money TV. Welcome back to another online money making video. And in today's video, my friends, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can start earning free PayPal cash with your mobile devices, simply just playing games, because I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 applications that will pay you literally just to play games and earn free PayPal cash. You guys, they have high payouts, they pay out fast. You're gonna want to stick with me through the entire video. I'm also going to share with you in this video a free bonus of exactly how I earn passive income every single day with my very own online business. Understand one thing, it took me a very long time to understand how to make a significant amount of money online and passive income with my very own online business. And today I'm going to give you direct access to my mentor that absolutely changed the game for me and started helping me make a significant amount of money online. Some folks are making $1,000 a day and some folks are making up to $1 million a year with this one simple strategy, and you're not going to want to miss 1 second of this. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Whoa, hold up real quickly here. Before I reveal to you these top 3 applications that are going to pay you free PayPal cash literally for just playing games online, I need you to do me one huge favor, you guys. Make sure that you crush that thumbs up until it turns blue. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, that you hit that bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with videos, because I'm coming out with videos every single week teaching you the best money-making strategies online, you guys. Make sure that you drop me a comment, even if you just type free PayPal cash, and make sure that you share this video with your friends, your family, and post it on social media, because understand one thing, one very important thing, my friends. This channel right here is all about how to make the most money online. My ultimate goal is to help as many people as I possibly can find financial freedom and start their very own online business so that they never depend on a paycheck ever again. So as promised, without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, now listen up and pay close attention. We're gonna blow through this really fast. You guys, there's not a lot to say about these applications other than the fact that you're gonna be earning free PayPal cash simply for playing games with these top 3 applications. Now this first one is called the Make Money Free Cash app. And as you can see, it's been rated by 594,610 people, 4.5-star rating. Now what's really cool about this application is it has a couple other features that you can earn money as well. You could be watching videos, or you could also be completing surveys, but you can be downloading applications, aka games, and literally test out different applications and games and start getting paid in PayPal cash. Now what's also cool is it's 100% free of fees, you guys. So all the PayPal cash that you're earning, you can send it back to your PayPal account and you don't have to pay any fees to actually transfer that money. Some of the applications charge you fees. So this is one really cool feature about this application. It's why I want to talk about it and feature this. I wanted to show this over in the iOS store as well. As you can see, this is called the Make Money Earn Easy Cash app over in iOS. This is the same exact application, it's just named a little bit different. Over in Google Play, Make Money Free Cash app. Over in iOS, it's the Make Money Earn Easy Cash. And over in the Apple App Store, again, you guys, 4.9 rating, so almost a 5-star rating. It's been rated by 366,900 people. Let's take a look at the next application here. This one's in the Google Play Store. This one's Android only, but this one focuses primarily on games. It's called PlaySpot, Make Money Playing Games, rated by 386,000 people, 4-star rating, and literally all you're going to be doing is earning cash, free PayPal money, again, you guys, for downloading applications. You can also watch videos with this one as well. It's super easy, super fun. You play games, you earn PayPal money. There's nothing more to it. These are the top 2 right here. Now I want to show you this one. This is tried and true and tested and pays a significant amount of money. And again, this one's available in the iOS as well as the Android marketplace. And you can also do this from a desktop PC. This one's called Swagbucks. Now I know some of you have probably heard about this before, you guys, but I have to show Swagbucks because I absolutely love this. They pay a ton of money. They pay you in all kinds of different cool stuff here. But as you can see, if you come down the side over here, we click on play, you can see all the different games they have. They have Angry Birds on here. They have Solitaire. They have Bejeweled. They have all kinds of cool stuff on here. Wheel of Fortune. And as you can see, you're going to be earning Swagbucks. And what you can do is you can cash this out for different types of gift cards, you guys. Now, if we go over here to redeem your Swagbucks, you can see just how many different types of gift cards they have. They have Visa gift cards. They have Amazon gift cards. They have PayPal gift cards. And the list goes on, you guys. There's literally tons of different types of gift cards that you can be using. Even if you shop at Walmart and stuff like that, you can get those. They have Target gift cards, iTunes gift cards, eBay, you guys. So tons of great ways to spend all of your Swagbucks. You can play games on here. You can watch videos. You can discover different stuff. You can be doing your shopping on here. You can be doing different quizzes. Great way to start earning some extra cash. Now, this is my favorite part of this video. If you've reached this part of this video, do not click off of this. You need to listen to this because this information will absolutely change your life. I want you to understand one thing, you guys. I've been at it for 15 years trying all kinds of different crazy businesses. And about a year ago, I got really serious about how to make money online, how to make a significant amount of money online, and how to earn passive income. Literally making money while you sleep, while you're sitting on a beach 24/7, doing things once and earning money on it over and over and over again, you guys, earning thousands of dollars a day. Some people are making $1 million a year. Now understand, everything that we've talked about in this video is legit, you guys. You can start earning free PayPal cash simply playing games with this, but it's just a great side hustle at best. You're only gonna earn enough money to buy some gifts, to put some extra food on the table, maybe some clothes, stuff like that. If you want to get time back on your side, which is the best possible thing that you can possibly do so that you can call the shots in your life, start building your dreams instead of punching a time clock and spending all of your time at work, then what you need to do is check out my #1 recommendation down in the top of the description. Once you put in your name, your email address, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. You'll get signed up. This is called the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. Now, this gentleman right here, Mr. David Sharp, is my mentor that has absolutely changed my life. I want you to understand something here. This guy was literally completely broke, practically homeless, sleeping on his dad's couch. He was a drug addict. He was a sex addict. He had all kinds of problems, but he got the right information in front of him and he kept going, and he started his very own online successful business, and he's teaching us how we can implement it too. His very own blueprint, step by step, holding you by the hand. The first thing that you want to do when you arrive at this page is click on this green button right here where it says schedule now. Get a hold of your mentor. What they're going to do is they're going to run you through this 15-day challenge right here, and they're going to show you how to build your dreams step by step every day. And by the end of day 15, you guys are going to have your very own business set up to where you can start making a significant amount of passive income, building your dreams every single day. You can do this when you have time. Build your own business online. I cannot recommend this enough. Make sure that you check this out. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you all are doing well. I will see you on the next video. Peace.